Welcome to Lake Como, where the water glistens like silk, the mountains cradle every view, and luxury whispers from behind ivy-covered gates. You've heard the names Bellagio, Verena, George Clooney's estate. But today, we're going beyond the postcard. This is a private look at Lake Como's hidden villas. The ones not on Instagram. The ones you'll never find on Google Maps. A world of secluded elegance, ancient wealth, and next-level hospitality, all tucked behind ancient stone walls. Let's step into a quieter, deeper kind of Italian luxury. The arrival, private boat, no crowds. Forget crowded ferries. Your journey begins by private wooden speedboat gliding silently across the lake. Ahead, a villa so well hidden, locals barely speak its name. There's no public entrance. You dock at a private pier. A butler greets you by name. And just like that, you're in. Inside the hidden villas, understated grandeur. Lake Como's most luxurious villas don't scream. They whisper with confidence. Stepping inside, you're surrounded by centuries-old frescoes, vaulted ceilings, and handmade silk from local artisans. It's not flashy, it's old-money elegance. You walk barefoot on heated marble floors. You sip espresso beside a 17th-century fireplace. And the view? Massive windows open straight onto the lake, as if nature itself was hired for the design. These villas aren't for renting. They're for invited guests only. And you're one of them. Private gardens and personal chefs. Outside, the gardens stretch endlessly sculpted hedges, ancient olive trees, fountains have been flowing for 300 years. Hidden corners hold marble benches for reading. A stone path leads to an infinity-edge pool, reflecting both mountains and sky. And just when you think it can't get better, your personal chef arrives. Freshly made ravioli, stuffed with lemon ricotta. A private wine tasting from the villa's underground cellar. Dessert, made with figs picked just minutes ago. It's not just a meal, it's an art form. Hidden villas by water own. Some of Lake Como's best-kept secrets aren't even reachable by road. Accessible only by boat, they remain untouched by tourists, guarded by forested hills and iron gates. These villas have hosted royalty, rock stars, and the ultra-discreet elite. You won't find them in travel guides. You'll never see them tagged online. But from the water, you catch a glimpse, a private dock, a flicker of candlelight, the sound of soft jazz drifting from within. Here, seclusion is the greatest luxury of all. Evenings that feel like cinema as the sun melts behind the Alps, the lake turns gold. You enjoy aperitivo on the terrace, sparkling Franciacorta, prosciutto aged for 3 years, and laughter echoing softly across the water. Later, a private violinist plays by moonlight. Lanterns glow in the garden, and dinner is served under the stars, because Lake Como doesn't do ordinary. Every evening feels like a scene from a classic film, only you're the lead. Daytime adventures, but make it chic. Shopping? Yes, but forget Milan's fashion chaos. In Bellagio and Cernobbio, you'll discover quiet ateliers where designers craft handmade leather shoes, silk scarves, and jewelry found nowhere else. Your driver waits outside. No parking meters, no stress. Afterward, it's lunch at a hilltop trattoria, no menu, just whatever the chef picked up from the market that morning. Then, maybe a slow afternoon in a vintage Riva boat, cutting across the lake with nothing but time, privacy, and legacy. These villas aren't about clout. They're about privacy, legacy, and heritage. Often family-owned for generations, passed down through bloodlines, they open only to those who understand discretion. It's a place where deals are signed over aged Barolo, where proposals happen under olive trees, and where luxury means never having to post about it. Lake Como isn't just a destination. It's a sanctuary for those who know where to look. Beyond the tourist trails and overhyped hotels lies a world of hidden villas, unmatched beauty, and quiet opulence. It's not flashy, it's not public, And that's what makes it so rare. If you ever get the chance to walk through those gates, even for a moment, you'll never forget it. Because here, luxury isn't something you see. It's something you feel in your soul. If this enchanted escape stole your heart, hit that like button. Subscribe for more rare luxury journeys. And tell us in the comments, would you rather spend a night in a secret villa or cruise Lake Como on a vintage yacht? The next destination might just be even more breathtaking.